we're going to show you how amazing Montenegro is and what to expect when visiting Budva.
So Budva is kind of like a little beach town that's nestled in the mountains, and the people here are super kind, and it has kind of like a small town charm. We are currently in Old Town, which is amazing, but
magical.
Yeah, there's a lot more to Budva than just here, although this is our favorite so far. So let's go.
So if you're coming here from Europe, you actually don't even have to worry about currency exchange because they use euros.
So the food here is incredibly cheap. Of course, you can go to a fancy restaurant and actually eat for a pretty reasonable price, but if you're an extreme budgeter, there are so many options for you. There is a ton of street food for less than €3, and if you want to go to the market, it's insane. The prices are so cheap. All right, so this is the spread we got for 37 USD.
The food here is so cheap, it's crazy. Okay, so we just got these rolls. They're kind of like pizza rolls. It's from like a pizza, crepe, and roll shop. So I got a margarita. I just got like pepperoni something, and they look delicious. And they're like £5. Also, only $2.50.
What's it taste
ever
like?
had. It tastes like pizza, but like more doughy.
So this is a spinach gnocchi, and we've got. What do you eat?
Okay, so I guess Montenegro is kind of famous for their squid ink, like risotto or pasta. So I had to try it. I got the squid ink gnocchi, and it has lime and parsley, I think, and
shrimpies.
Shrimpies.
Who's eating vegetarian tonight? This guy. Shrimpies.
It's really good. There's a lot of different flavors in it. Like I can taste like the lime and the garlic, and I don't know. It almost tastes kind of Indian, but it's really delicious. I think you'll like it, Jess. Yeah.
Okay.
But the one downside is I feel like I'm eating a giant plate of olives.
So there are multiple beaches in Budva. There is the primary one that's close to most of the apartments, which is Budva Riviera. There's Greco Beach, which is right by Old Town, and then Jazz Beach, which is supposed to be the nicest and the biggest, but it is a little bit of a distance, so you'll have to drive or get here by bus or walk an hour and a half uphill, and it looks horrific.
Not really an option.
Not an option. All right, so we're gonna show you guys where the bus stop is because it's actually quite confusing online. There's actually two places you can get picked up to get to Jazz Beach. But we'll show those to you guys now so that way you don't get confused like us.
We were walking and we weren't gonna get sunbeds, but it's only $10 for 2 sunbeds and 2 drinks. So
And free Wi-Fi.
and free Wi-Fi, so obviously we did it.
So there are tons of water sport options available here, and a lot of them are some of the cheapest we've seen in the world. So to get a paddle boat, it's only €5. And there's also little aqua water parks for kids, jet skis, etc. So there's plenty to do if you want to get active here, or if you want to be lazy and just lay €10. What makes Budva even more exciting and special, other than just the amazing beaches, food, and activities, is the history and architecture here. So this is Old Town, and it is so special. So we're going to show you guys a little bit of Old Town and what there is to do here. So Old Town is filled with cute little shops, restaurants, cafes, and it completely changes at night and turns into more of like a casual nightlife scene, but there's plenty of great restaurants and
Lots of live music too.
yeah. And quite a few little English pubs, which we always love.
All right, you guys, we have loved Budva so much. So if you guys are coming to Europe and you want to do an affordable Mediterranean vacation, this is the spot.
This place has surprised us beyond belief. Like, It's probably one of my favorite places I've ever been to. The architecture is just so beautiful, and it's a relaxing little spot. So you get everything you want here. You get the beaches, you get the history, you get the cafes, you can do boat tours. Like, it's just an endless amount of things you can do here, and it's all condensed pretty close. So you don't have to necessarily have a car, and it's not going to take you a ton of time to travel around and see everything there is to check out here.
So if you guys are interested in seeing Budva, or if you guys have any questions, comment below and we'll get back to you.
So if you guys enjoyed the video though, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to check out more of our content. So we'll see you guys on the next one.
Jess and Maya. Oh, at it again!